Hey, listen this. For suppose you want your AI model to do multiple connected tasks together. At this particular point, what would you do? Let me simplify this. For suppose you want to learn DevOps and you don't know anything about DevOps. At this particular point, what would you do? You would directly head out to your chat GPT and you would start to ask questions like, I want to learn DevOps, I don't know anything. What would I do? What are the technical skills I need to learn? What is the plan of action? In short, whatever context and questions you have in your mind, you will dump that complete context into one prompt and you will feed it to your LLM model and expect to get a better results. What if I tell you that the results which it would give you with this giant prompt in combination of all these questions will not be 100% up to the mark? Here's the technical problem with big prompts. When it comes to your large language models, right, there is something called as context window or context limit. When you cram or ask multiple questions into a single giant prompt, your AI will lose its focus. It will spread the tokens into multiple tasks, because of which you would get an inconsistent results. What if I tell you there is a solution for this as well? Welcome to day 12 of Mastering Prompt Engineering series. In another next 90 seconds, you will learn about prompt chaining. So what does prompt chaining does is it solves this by breaking the task into multiple steps. Each prompt will have one clear objective. So let me explain this. For suppose it will break into multiple prompts, like let us say 3 prompts. What it does is prompt 1's output will be there, right? That output will be the input for prompt 2. And prompt 2's output will be the input for prompt 3. Like this, the prompt chaining goes on. Let me simplify this. For example, this butterfly life cycle. First it will be as an egg. From egg it will then become caterpillar. From caterpillar to it will then go to pupa, and from pupa it will finally become a butterfly. The same way here, if you see, the egg was your prompt 1. From egg it went to caterpillar, that's prompt 2. So this egg, because of egg only you got this particular answer, right? Caterpillar. So it is you can say prompt chaining, or you can say that chain is there, chain link is there, life cycle chain link is there, right? The same way even prompt chaining works. By using chain of prompt, you get a clear and consistent results. And if there is something wrong, or if somewhere it went wrong, right, you will get to know where exactly it happens. No more black box guessing. So because if you take a normal LLMs, when you give a giant prompt, you will not get to know where was the error. But here with this chain of prompting technique, you will get to know at which particular chain link or at which particular point there was an error and why it was error, and you can easily optimize it, or you can easily improve that prompt to get better results without breaking the entire system. This is a modular AI architecture. In every AI applications, whether it can be ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Perplexity, everywhere this method works. So stop fighting with a single AI prompt and later confused like where it was an exact error. Start to use chain of prompting to get consistent results. That's it. For more interesting updates related to data science and AI, make sure to follow me, and I'll meet you all again with Tree of Thoughts.